Hello and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning Series with Syed. In this brief episode, I will show you how to hide sensitive data and protect it in Excel. To follow along with me, make sure you have a copy of this workbook downloaded using the link in the video description. There are two worksheets on this workbook. See it is where I will demonstrate, do it is for you to practice. Let us start. What I really want to do in this sheet is I would like to hide that salary figures and protect it. But at the same time, I would like to show the number of digits in that salary. For example, it's a 5-figure salary or a 6-figure salary, whatever it is. How do I do it? Let me copy this salary column here in the column L. To get the job done, I have this function called REPT. This function will repeat a given text for a given number of times. Let's take a look. I will start typing in the function in column L. REPT, that's the function. I will press tab to complete it. Now, what is the text I want to be repeated? For example, I want it to repeat the X character. I will provide that in double quotes, comma. How many number of times should that X character be repeated? I can provide the number of times value in a dynamic way by using the LEN function inside this function. LEN, this function will help me to return the number of characters from any given string. So I will press tab here. Here is the text that I want it to count the number of characters and return that as a number value here. I will close the bracket of LEN, close the bracket of REPT now. Now I press enter. As soon as I press enter, it will repeat the character X for 5 times in this field. Let me press enter. There we go. If I drag this down up to this section, all of them will have 5 characters, but this one, it has only 4 digits. So this will show only 4-figure salary. See that? So I can drag this down all the way up to the last one. So I am able to hide my salary numbers and replace it with this X character. Now what I really need to do is hide the column K, then under the review tab, click on protect sheet and provide a password, and done. Anybody who is accessing this sheet will not be able to see the figures of the salary that are hidden now, but they will know that the salary is 4-digit salary or a 5-digit salary, whatever the number of digits of that salary are. I hope you found this video helpful. Kindly practice as much as you can to retain this learning. In the next episode, we will explore more dimensions of Excel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell icon to enable notifications. Thank you and have a lovely day. Until next time.